Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel. Well, today it's all about working with active and passive buzzers. So let's get started now. So last week we learned all about the theory and the different types of buzzers, as well as how to use the active one. I also gave you an assignment and wonder if any of you managed to make it. Well, if not to worry, as I'll show you that and much more right now. For the setup I will use the active buzzer as we saw last week, and we will also use the RGB. If you want more details you can see it here. So once the connection is made, then the assignment was, well, for above 1000 I want the red LED, in between 500 to below 1000 I want the orange LED, for 1 to 499 I want the green LED, and again red LED blinking when it's 0. For those with a headphone, this is a warning for the volume. Okay, now let's see the sketch, starting with the RGB LED, and that's what those three integers are here. Under that we have this set here for the buzzer and the delay. Then we declare and set our messages to display later. Lastly, we have declared our user choice. For our voice setup, we have our serial begin with a 9600 baud rate for troubleshooting, followed by the RGB with all its pins set as outputs, the same for the buzzers. Lastly, in the void loop, we start by printing the welcome message, followed by the while loop with a serial.print available, and not forgetting the user choice with a serial pass hint this time. Then, if the result is above or equal to 1000, we print out our messages, light up the appropriate LED, red in this case, and start the beeping. The next if statements look similar, but this time if the value is between 500 and below 1000, we print our messages before we set the appropriate color for our RGB, orange here. Then initiate the beeping sequence, and here we can see that we doubled our delay. The easiest way was to set up another delay with a different timing, but well, I did this instead. We finish by printing the user choice and the message tree. Then, if the result is above 0 but below 500, we print the message, set the RGB color to green and start the buzzing. Only one beep this time, before we had the user choice and the message tree. Lastly, if the user choice is 0, we will, after we print the first message, we start the color and blink the RGB as well as the beeping sound. Note how we do that. By setting both on or high, we add the delay before we turn them off, and then repeat that. And you notice how we finish here by setting the light and the sound on, and of course the message bar. Okay, now it is time to send this to the Arduino to see how this works. That is it for today. Thank you for watching the video, and just to let you know, I started a Patreon where if you want, you can support me, and again, if you enjoy it, you know what to do. You can do your YouTube things, like if you want to, subscribe, you may as well, or you can also press the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. However, if you do not like this video, simply leave a comment down below and tell me why it's so. I will try to do it for you guys. Stay safe and bye now!